Hello, this is Carolyn Laviolette with the Catamaran Company. Today I'd like to tell you a little bit more about the Leopard 48 slow motion. The Leopard 48 is really known for its nice walk-through access directly from the front salon to the forward cockpit. Slow motion is quite a special yacht in that she's a 4-cabin customized owner's version with a nice desk area, comfortable chair, really optimized for long-term cruising. The current owner did do a transatlantic passage recently and added a wingaker as well as a storm jib. She's a dual voltage 110 and 220 boat. This boat has a watermaker as well as air conditioning, generator, and all the comforts of home. For more information, contact carolyn.laviolette@catamarans.com, 954-449-7635. This yacht is quite special. The owner has taken very good care of her. We'll let him explain it in his own words. See you on the docks.
Hello, my name is Werner. I'm the owner of this Leopard 48, which I'm going to present you. Here we have a hydraulic gangway by Catamaran, 3-segment, and it pulls in all the way and folds up vertically. We have the new 57 horsepower engines behind this door, and the boat is equipped with Brunton auto props. Here we come to a nice dinghy, 12 foot long, 25 horsepower Yamaha engine. The rear saloon has been laid out with teak. We have nice cushions everywhere, a wooden surface table, and an outside refrigerator. Nice living outboard on this boat. Now come up to the helm station. Up here the helm station is very nicely arranged. You are halfway up, so you keep the connection to your guests down there, and you have a very nice view all over the boat. The boat can be handled by one person. We have 2 large winches. One is electrically operated. All the instruments by Ray Marine, autopilot. The ropes come all in here at one place, so the boat can easily be handled by one person. You see, you have a very nice view all over the boat, from the bow all around. And at the end you have a little antenna for a mobile internet connection. Now we come to the front exterior lounge, accessible by a door from the main saloon. This is a nice seating area which you would like either during cruise or in the evening when one group sits in the rear part and the other group can sit in the front and have a bit of privacy. We have 2 tables, one here, one there, and now we come up to the front storage door boxes. Here is a generator and storage place. Here is the anchor winch, electrically driven, 50 meters chain. And there is another large storage box where you put in your fenders, everything, and here's a water tank. Yeah, this is the end of the outside presentation. This is really a nice boat which we have enjoyed with our family for 3 years. And the boat is really perfectly fit, totally equipped, and it's a very nice boat for anybody who wants to spend his vacation or even live on the boat. Everything is set. Next part is the interior presentation. Let's have a look at the interior of this Leopard 48 catamaran. Inside we have a light grey coloring scheme, and you can see the floor corresponds very well with the teak of the outside lounge. Have a look inside, please. This is a large, nice lounge, and you can see almost 360 degrees around. What a nice view on this catamaran. We have the kitchen, double sink, microwave, here is some storage everywhere, 3 flame stove, oven, gas operated. The navigation station, fusion sound system. This is the control for the inverter, which delivers 3 kilowatt. This is a remote control for the watermaker, fully automatic. Just press start, stop, and you have potable water. Secondary plotter, which actually controls the autopilot, so you can sit here in bad weather and steer the boat. Door to the front, outside cockpit, seating area, and this table can be lowered down for 2 more sleeping places. Storage below the floor everywhere. Large refrigerator and fridge. And here are our coffee makers. Television. And here's a control panel for all the electric. Generator. Air condition control. Columns for low volt, 12 volt. And this is high tension 110 volt operation. The boat has always 110 volt available with an inverter. Now let's look at the right hull. We have given it a sliding door to close it away from the rest of the boat, so the right hand people have a perfect privacy. We have given it acrylic ceiling, which gives you a lot of light inside. Opening the door, and we come down. We have here a seating area. This is the rear sleeping compartment, which has now as a front also sliding doors to close. With nice windows everywhere. This is now a nice seating area for work or relax or read a book. And you can see we have even a very nice look outside to the blue water. It's a lot of fun to sit here in tranquility. Going to the forward part. Here again, shower, toilet, and we have another front sleeping cabin. Let's have a look at the left hull. We have 2 cabins here. One forward cabin, which has a connection door to the bow cabin, where another person could stay, or a child. And have a look in here. Here's the watermaker below this bed. Each cabin has its own shower, electric head, and we are coming to the rear cabin. Again, shower, head, and you have a large cabin with nice big windows. And each cabin has its own storages, like here, drawer, and a lot of space below the floor.